What I'm about to show you is technically illegal in all 50 states. Federal fines can reach $2,500 per violation, yet every professional tuner I know uses at least half of these tricks on their own cars. Your car is choking on up to 40% of its own power. Last week, a customer paid me $1,200 to fix what a 30-second illegal trick could have prevented. After 22 years watching dealerships use these exact underground methods while charging you thousands, I'm done staying quiet. Today, I'm exposing 20 forbidden car secrets, from 30-second ECU hacks to mods so effective the EPA banned them. And stay until the end. The final $12 trick is why my truck ran 387,000 miles without a rebuild. Let's go underground. Trick number 20. Throttle body reset. Let's start simple. Modern cars use electronic throttle control. The computer learns how you drive. Soft starts, lazy throttle forever. Dealers charge $150 to reset this. Underground version, a 1-minute throttle relearn that forces the ECU to start fresh. I did this on a customer's Camry last week. He texted me, feels 20% faster. If you want real car knowledge, not dealership excuses, subscribe, like this video, comment underground if you've ever felt your car was holding back. Now let's get into the stuff they really don't want you knowing. Number 19. Secret intake carbon cleaning. That black sludge in your intake? That's lost horsepower. Dealers charge $300 plus. Mechanics do it for under $10. Result? Smoother idle, better MPG, stronger pull. One customer gained 3 miles per gallon overnight. Number 18. The transmission sealed for life lie. Lifetime fluid means until warranty ends. Partial drain and refill done regularly keeps transmissions alive. I saved a customer $3,800 by doing this instead of a rebuild. Number 17. Catalytic converter delete. Banned. Yes, illegal everywhere. Yes, 10 to 20 horsepower gain. Less back pressure means engines breathe better, especially at high RPM. Turbo cars benefit even more, but fines, inspections, and insurance issues are real. If catalytic converters are so critical, why do race engines last longer without them? Number 16. Spark plug gap adjustment. Factory pre-gapped plugs are rarely perfect. A slightly tighter gap, stronger spark, better throttle, smoother idle. That's a dealer tune-up for free. Number 15. ECU emissions defeat tuning. Modern engines leave 20 to 50 horsepower unused. Tuning removes conservative fuel and timing limits. Results: faster throttle response, more power, sometimes better fuel economy. But amateur tuning destroys engines. If tuning is so dangerous, why do properly tuned engines often last longer? Number 14. Oxygen sensor cleaning. Dealers replace them, mechanics clean them. Restores accuracy, improves MPG, costs almost nothing. Number 13. Cold air intake plus MAF mods. Cooler air equals denser oxygen. With tuning, gains of 15 to 25 horsepower are common. Race use only is mostly legal protection. Number 12. The airbox breather trick. Stock airboxes restrict airflow for noise control. A few hidden holes on the cold side, better throttle, small MPG gains, zero cost. Number 11. MAF sensor cleaning. Dirty MAF sensors cause rich running. $8 cleaner restored one SUV from 14 miles per gallon to 18 miles per gallon. That's $800 per year saved. Number 9. Lifetime fuel filter scam. Filters inside the tank still clog. External inline filters cost $6, save $1,000 fuel pumps, let you see fuel quality. Number 8. Water vapor carbon cleaning. Shop killer. Steam blasts carbon from combustion chambers. Done wrong, hydrolock, bent rods, federal fines. If water destroys engines, why is water injection used in racing? Number 7. Manual transmission conversions. More control, less drivetrain loss, huge driving improvement. Illegal in many states. $8,000 to $15,000 builds. Number 6. Coil pack swaps. Some coils are stronger and interchangeable. Sharper throttle, cleaner combustion. Wrong ones can fry your ECU. Number 5. Straight pipe exhaust with valves. Quiet when needed, wide open when wanted. 20 to 30 horsepower possible. Number 4. PCV inline filter hack. $3 fuel filter equals $150 catch pan. Cleaner intake, less carbon. Number 3. Throttle response relearn. Removes factory throttle delay. No horsepower gain, but feels like one. Number 2. Injector pulse cleaning. Direct injector cleaning restores spray patterns, instant smoother idle and acceleration. Number 1. ECU tune for racing fuel. This is the point of no return. E85 and race fuel allow massive timing advance, huge boost, 40 to 60% power gains, but require fuel system upgrades, professional tuning. One mistake equals melted pistons. Done right, I've seen Civics embarrass Corvettes. Final reveal, the $12 secret. Manufacturers say never use oil additives. Mechanics know better. High moly or ZDDP additives reduce friction, lower heat, extend engine life. That $12 bottle is why my truck reached 387,000 miles. You just learned what mechanics pay thousands to learn. The question isn't do these work, it's which one would you actually try? Comment below. Like and subscribe for smarter performance. Welcome to the underground. I'll see you there.